In the previous video, we discussed on the detailing of cantilever beam. Here we'll be discussing on the simply supported beam. Here the data is given. First we'll read out the data, that is simply supported rectangular beam of size 300 mm by 500 mm, and it's a clear span 5 meter, supported on walls of 0.3 meter. Use a suitable scale. Okay, here the main beam, that is the beam is provided with 4 numbers of 16 dia with 2 numbers of are cranked at from center of the support. That means the curtail bar, instead of cranking, I'll be taking two numbers curtailed. Okay, here the stirrups holders, that is 2 numbers of T12 mm. Okay, that means the top reinforcement, that is nothing but the reinforcement at top to hold the stirrups, or we call it as the hanger bars. Okay, those are 2 numbers of 12 mm dia. Okay, and here he has given stirrups are provided, that is 2-legged 8 mm dia stirrups at 250 mm center to center in the centers. It is span of 2 meter span, and remaining 2-legged 8 mm dia stirrups at 150 mm center to center. That means it is at support span. Okay, the total span of this beam is 5 meter. Okay, within that, at the center 2 meter, the spacing of the stirrups is 250 mm, and remaining at the support side, that means on either side 1.5 meter, it is of spacing 150 mm. So first I'll start with the cross section, the size of beam. Okay, again I'll take a command, rectangular command. I click once and I'll take dimension. It is size of beam is 300 mm by 500 mm here. Okay, so I need to increase the dimension of a problem. Here this is the problem, so I will increase the dimensions of the letter using the command scale SE. Okay, here this is the cross section of the beam. Okay, so I'll assume the 30 mm clear cover. Okay, so main reinforcement, that is it is simply supported beam, so main reinforcement will be at bottom. Okay, I'll provide it in 2 layers, so I'll explode. Okay, or the simple method is that if it is 6 mm, if it is 16 mm dia, the stirrups, the main bars are of, that is the radius 8 mm. So and simply I'll take offset of 8 mm. Okay, I'll go for donut command. Inner dia 0, exterior outer dia is 16 mm. Now I'll provide here, and remaining 2 reinforcement. Okay, little bit above than, okay, above than the, okay, reinforcement, and minimum spacing between, okay, if it is 16 plus 25, minimum, it should be minimum of a gap 25 mm. Okay, so gap in between 2 layers should be minimum 25 mm. Now when it comes to the top reinforcement, that is of 12 mm, 2 numbers of 12 mm are there. So if it is 12 mm dia, that means the radius is 6 mm, so I am taking offset of 6 mm here. So I'll take offset of 6 mm. I'll go to donut command. Okay, inner diameter 0, outer diameter 12 mm. So simply these junctions, okay, mainly to take I am taking offset only to get the center of the reinforcing bars. Okay, so now I'll deal with this one. Now this is all about the cross section of the beam, it is simply supported beam. So top bar I'll provide, okay, I'll be giving the color red color, and bottom bar are of blue, and whatever the stirrups are there, I'll go for pink. You know, this is all about the detailing of the beam. Now here I'll taking the dimension 300 mm is there, so I'll increase the dimension so that it should be visible. Now only 300 is showing. Okay, I have I must have a suffix, so it is mm, 300 mm. Okay, next I need to find out the depth of this beam. Okay, to increase the size of this dimension, that is I make it instead of 2.5, 25. Okay, so this is the the 25 means 25 mm height of this dimensions. Okay, now I'll project this beam. As you know, this is a simply supported beam. Okay, and its span is 5 meter, that is I'll take 5000. Clear span is of 5 meter. Okay, so on either side we have 300 mm support, that is 0.3 meter support. So I must take 5.6. I'll increase it by, okay, so I'll take total length of this beam is 5600. Simply I'll drawing using line command. Okay, now the width of support is what? I'll draw a line, offset 300 mm. The width of support is 300 mm. Okay, I'll take a continuous line using offset command. Okay, so this is the width of support on either side. So if you want, you can go for hatch also. So I'll neglect. Okay, now I'll take the center of the longitudinal bars in two layers. Okay, I'll take again offset of 30 mm on either side. Okay, again I know the spacing of one bar to another layer should be minimum of 25 mm. So I'll be using this one. Minimum 25 mm should be provided on either side. Okay, so here better to cut these bars at the center. Okay, only the line and rectangular command work is there. Okay, only and you need to choose a command. Okay, trim, line, extend, these commands will be used here. Okay, so I'm extending, or here I'm drawing these bars. Okay, I'll change the color of these bars so that you can understand. Here you can see now another top reinforcement is there. On either side I'm taking 30 mm clear cover. Okay, there should be a bit gap between the top and bottom layer. I'm keeping this top reinforcement 50 mm above so that you can understand. Okay, it is of red color. Now this is all about the simply supported beam. Okay, now what I will do, I'll be dividing it into two parts. Okay, the span of this beam is 5 meter, that is 5000 mm. Here you can see the 5000 mm. Okay, if you want, you can increase the dimension also. Here suffix. Okay, you know the depth of beam, that is 400 mm. So now I'll change the color of the stirrups. Okay, at mid span, that means among this 5 meter, Okay, I'll be dividing it into three parts. It should be a single line. Okay, so what I will do, I'll be dividing it into three parts, that is 1000 mm on either side. Okay, because he says that at center 1000 mm the spacing of the reinforcement should be how much? For center 2 meter span it is 250 mm. So what I will do, I'll take offset of 250 mm. Sorry, offset 250. Okay, that is this one. It is of 2 meter. For 2 meter, here you can see, for 2 meter length the spacing is 250 mm center to center. After that, near the support spacing should be 150 mm. So what I will do, I'll take 150 mm spacing from here. On either side I'll be taking 150 mm spacing. That means the support portion is to be provided with a spacing of 150 mm. Okay, once it is completed, that means remaining portion. Okay, so in this way we'll be providing the detailing or reinforcement detailing for a simply supported beam. Now what I will do, I'll take these leader commands. These are 40 mm thickness I'm taking. So these reinforcements are the main reinforcement, that is nothing but hash 4 numbers of T 16 mm. So here he has given 4 numbers of T 16 mm. So 2 bars to be curtailed, that means I have not done the curtailment here, so I'll go for the curtailment. 2 bars to be curtailed means from here to, okay, whatever the 2 meter portion is there. Okay, so instead of that is 0.6 L. 0.6 L means it is around 60% of the 5 meter. It is nothing but 3 meter to be provided, so it is of 2 meter. So I'll extend another 0.5 meter here, means 500 mm on either side. Okay, so in this way I'll be providing the curtailed reinforcement. Okay, here it is 4 numbers of so these are the 4 numbers of T16 mm. Now here at the support portion, no such reinforcement are required, so only 2 numbers will be extended. Okay, here also what will do, here at the support portion 2 numbers will be extended. Okay, and at the top, what we'll do, we'll be using, okay, there are 2 numbers of T 12 mm reinforcement will be used. Here you can see at the stirrups holders, that is 2 numbers of T 12 mm. Okay, so I'll take these in this position, okay, and this one at this position. And now when it comes to the stirrups, okay, I must take this one. So whatever the stirrups are there, These are T8 mm at 150 mm center to center stirrups, which is for a length of how much? Up to this, that is 1.5 meter on either side, and remaining at the center, these are spaced at central spacing. These are spaced at 250 mm center to center. Okay, here it is 250. That means two-legged 8 mm dia stirrups, 250 mm center to center in centers of 2 meter span. Okay, so here this is for a length of 2 meter. From here to here, this is for a length of 2 meter. Remaining 1.5 meter is to be provided. That means at a spacing of 150 mm center to center. Okay, so in this way we'll be doing detailing for a simply supported beam. Now I'll draw a rectangle and I'll give you the link of this drawing. Okay, take a printout. Drawing to PDF. In this way we'll be having simply supported beam. Now here okay, so in this video we have discussed on simply supported beam. Okay, I'll be giving the link in the description box of this image or the PDF. You can get a printout of that. Okay, so here better you need to take the color print if possible. So this is the span of beam, dimensions, reinforcement, stirrups, everything is discussed here. So the next we'll do the detailing of a continuous beam. The next video we'll be doing the detailing of continuous beam. Until then you learn these two. Yeah, previously I uploaded the detailing of cantilever beam also. Just go through that. Okay. Thank you.